What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let's see how it looks as a middle part. I should have ordered this. I should have ordered this in black. Yeah. I'm not sure if I like this color. I'm trying to imagine if I were to style it a little bit more, if I would like it. It's the color. It's the color, guys. How unfortunate. Because I really love this Widow's Peak action. Or maybe I just need more makeup to like it. But the hair itself, definitely think I would like it if I purchased it in a more natural looking, more natural color. In a more natural color. But this is how it's looking. Widow's Peak action. I did not glue this down. I usually try not to do too much with the edges. So as I mentioned, I'm recording a YouTube video at the same time. So I'm trying to show more of the Widow's Peak. Bring it up. Bring it up. Widow's Peak, Widow's Peak. Alright. I'm done with the YouTube video. Or actually, let me wave. Alright. Let me do... Alright. Done with the YouTube video. I'm going to add a voiceover to all of that later. And guys, I do not like this hair. I like the hair. I just don't like the color. I chose the wrong color. Or maybe if I had more makeup, it would work. What do you guys think? You guys are awfully quiet. You guys are awfully quiet. I think it's the color I don't like. How unfortunate. How unfortunate. Oh, I forgot to show. Let me do another. Let me do a clip of... Okay, I got a clip of me showing the back of the hair. Alright, yeah, I don't like this color. I chose the wrong color. So unfortunate. I forgot I have this lip gloss. Glam Lip Oil. I got this from the beauty supply store. And it's actually pretty good. I like it. Why they call it lip oil now? Just call a lip gloss a lip gloss. Why is this thing called a lip oil?